Hello again. Well, today I'm here to talk about this video. Yes, the whiteboard marker magic, which was uploaded about 2 months ago and has so far received 138,608 views. I'd also like to say thank you to the 581 people who have liked the video and also to the 75 who have disliked the video. But drilling down for the YouTube analytics, I've discovered that it's actually been seen more than 10 times in 95 countries around the world. So today I'm going to name those 95 countries. Now if you've got yourself a map or an atlas or a globe, maybe you can follow along. So here goes in order of most viewed countries. India, Russia, Vietnam, Bangladesh, the Philippines, Indonesia, Brazil, Turkey, Malaysia, Mexico, Pakistan, Poland, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Germany, Myanmar, France, Italy, Great Britain, Kazakhstan, Cambodia, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, Ukraine, Iraq, Spain, Canada, Argentina, Nepal, Egypt, Taiwan, Morocco, Romania, United Arab Emirates, Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, Japan, Colombia, Czechia, Uzbekistan, the Republic of Korea, the Netherlands, Greece, Australia, Peru, Hungary, Israel, Bulgaria, Belarus, the Dominican Republic, Chile, Serbia, Azerbaijan, Moldova, Albania, Ecuador, Hong Kong, Sweden, Portugal, South Africa, Belgium, Armenia, Lithuania, Guatemala, Syrian Arab Republic, Denmark, Singapore, Switzerland, Bolivia, Slovakia, Croatia, Honduras, Tunisia, Oman, Venezuela, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Mauritius, Palestine, Kuwait, Austria, the Lao People's Democratic Republic, Georgia, Costa Rica, Jordan, Ireland, Qatar, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Paraguay, Finland, Namibia, and Norway. And once again, I thank you all for watching and apologise for any pronunciation mistakes. Until next time, bye.